Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your one and only baby girl, Only Best Beauty. And in today's video, we'll be turning bundles, just like the title, all right, into eye tips extension. Now, yeah, the bundles are much. They are much. I have about, I think I've done like 120 gram. Okay, I still have about 200 gram to go. Now she brought this to me as a bouquet. I think what she did it like Itip, but she didn't use keratin. What she did was she used thread to knot it. Yeah. And yeah, when she lose this, she was like, she wanted to throw it away. So I told her she could make it into an Itip, and then she gave me the job to do. So we'll be turning bundles into Itip, like I said. Yeah, and the only thing I need for this particular tutorial is the keratin and the hot tool. I'm going to show you the hot tool right away. Just 1 second. We'll be using this particular hot tool, this, all right, and that's the only tool you need to turn these bundles to item. All right, yeah. So I'm going to go in and show you how you can do that. All right, but before then, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you just see me for the very first time, please subscribe and don't just end there. Okay, you can do me a favor by liking the video. Okay, and yeah, if you have not turned your notification bell on, there's a bell icon beside the subscription button. Please turn it on so that as soon as I post a video, you'll be here with me, and then we'll, yeah, do something new together. Thank you for staying and thank you for tuning into my channel. All right, let me go in and show you. So guys, I've been able to on this hot iron. All right, hot iron, hot tongue, hot hot whatever, hot tool. So I'll be able to on, okay, it's, I'm ready for it to get hot. Meanwhile, while we are waiting, we are going to gather up our keratin. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to make sure that you're seeing whatever I'm doing here, but yeah, I'm going to bring it up for you to see. The keratin is here. Let me show you. You can see the keratin is here. Okay, so and to see how hot it is. The one I did yesterday, I think there's some keratins left on the iron. It should give us a hint as to when it is hot. Okay, and make sure you're cleaning. Okay, make sure you're cleaning over here when you're doing it. If not, everything will be messed up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is it's hot. Okay, I'm going to pick some keratins. I'll pick pure men. Let's say I'll pick 3. Okay, I'm going to pick 3. At times I pick 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press. Make sure you're pressing. When you're pressing, you're going to see that the keratin, you see, is melting. You're going to press, and then subito, immediately, sorry, immediately you apply it to the tip of the hair. Okay, I'm gonna give me scissors.
Okay, where is it?
Always ask for everything. Go and check. You're going to take keratins and you're putting, and what you're going to do is you're going to roll it. Okay. So I'm doing is trying to roll your boat gently down the sea. Yeah, I'm gonna. If you're not satisfied, if you're not convinced that this is how you want it to be, you can go again. For example, you go again, boom, voila, and then you're going to twist again. The reason why I'm asking for scissors is so that I'm going to cut any ends. These are rough ends. You don't want to leave it like that. So I'm going to cut it out, and then we'll have what we want to get. Okay, I'm going to do it twice, and then yeah, that's it. Okay. While we wait for my madam to bring me scissors, we're going to do another one. Now this is it. Okay, we're going to do another one. Now, talking about how many hairs you should be taking, we should be looking forward to 1 gram. Don't go more than 1 gram. Okay. If you're not sure, I'm using my eyes because you know, it's not been to do starter. But if you're not sure, use your scale it. Okay. Yeah, I'm going in for another keratin. I want to fish some keratin. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to melt this keratin. Melt it. Melt it is screaming until you hear it screaming. You see, it's screaming, screaming hot. Then you're going to go in with some keratin. Go in, press, press, boom. And then, don't laugh at my video. How quickly, I'm sorry. I have one small girl here disturbing me. So I'm going to roll, boom. So these rough edges, I'm going to cut it. I'm trimming it off because it doesn't really doesn't make it look nice. So we're going to have something like this again. So we'll continue the same process. That's basically what you're doing. So what are you waiting for? Please click in the link and get this product. I'm going to leave the description to this product. If you don't have it, your keratin and this iron is a must. You don't want to be throwing your bundles away. It's a must. So this is it. Voila. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.